Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the long position on trading view, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on trading view and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of BTC USDT, and at left side of the chart you will be able to see lots of tools over here. So you simply need to go over in this section and you can see forecasting and measurement tools. You simply need to click on there, and now you can see the long position at top. You need to click on that option, and now you'll be able to use the long position on trading view successfully. So basically this is how you can use the long position on trading view, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.